Well, welcome into the Doppler 10 forecast center this afternoon. I'm meteorologist Joshua Johns. We're interrupting your program because we have a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dallas County.
And now, First Warn 5 weather.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us. I'm meteorologist Josh Johns. Hey, look outside at Sky 5. There's not a cloud in the sky. All the way down to 46 in Rio Grande City, so you'll probably want that jacket stepping out there. You may not need the jacket in the Mid-Valley, and you definitely won't need it this afternoon because highs today will go up to the mid to upper 80s, 87 out west, 85.
Starr County saw some severe weather overnight. First Warn 5 meteorologist Josh Johns is tracking the weather for us this morning. Now, Josh, what's showing on radar at this hour?
Hey, Dina, well, we're watching some light rain on the radar right now. If you take a look behind me on the First Warn 5 Doppler network, you can see some light rains moving into McAllen. Some storms on Tuesday. The best chance looks to be to our north around the ranch lands from Jim Hogg over to Kennedy County, but we can't rule out some of that activity starting to spread down into our area on Tuesday. So we'll fine-tune that forecast. Stay tuned for details on that. And then pretty well as well, we're talking temperatures in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees across the area. And then as we head into Monday, check it out up here. We've got a cold front that's coming down. That's going to clear out the clouds and lead to some really nice conditions for the rest of the week. Tomorrow will still be a bit on the warm side, but then by the time we head into Tuesday, dealing with a lot of clouds, and that'll also keep temperatures down. Good morning, I'm meteorologist Josh Johns. And if you're stepping outside today, temperatures, well, they feel kind of cold right now. Everyone's in the 50s, 50 in Harlingen, 57 Los Fresnos, 55 on Port Isabel. Wait for it. There it is, 79 on Wednesday. You're going to need a jacket going out to that weather, but then we warm up again as we head into the rest of the weekend. Well, good morning. I'm meteorologist Josh Johns. Hey, if you're hearing the pitter-patter of rain out in Starr County, that's not your mind playing tricks on you. There's definitely rain out there. There's some pretty heavy rain, actually, from Rio Grande City over to Roma and then back up towards San Ysidro, and that will continue to stick around over the next hour or so across Starr County. So if you're out there, just take a jacket and umbrella with you. Moving off towards the east into Hidalgo County, we have one shower here near Lynn and more down towards Reynosa that's going to move up. So Hidalgo County will be getting wet soon too. Down in the lower valley, there's not much going on right now. This is just a bunch of ground clutter, but those showers down near Valle Hermoso will move in, and so we're just going to have a pretty rainy day across a good majority of the valley. Temperatures right now are in the 60s and in the 70s, 71 in Edinburgh, and rain-cooled temperature of 64 in Rio Grande City, and then 70 on South Padre Island. Highs today will reach the mid-70s with high of 76 in Edinburgh, 74 in the island, a bit cooler out towards the west, 72 in Rio Grande City. And then tomorrow, we really warm up. High temperatures in the mid-80s, 85 in Edinburgh and McAllen, 76 on South Padre Island, 84 in Raymondville. Look at satellite and radar. You can see that this rain is all just a part of a big upper-level storm system that's impacting a large area of the state. They've already received about 5 inches of rain near San Antonio, so they're dealing with a little bit of flooding right now. If you have any travel plans up to the north, just make sure your windshield wipers are working, make sure your tires are properly aired up, and take a jacket with you because you don't want to get wet. You'll just want to stay dry. You see on future track that rain skirts through our area, moves through by about lunchtime, and then we see a little bit of a break. But look off here towards the west because more rain forms and moves in the afternoon with some pretty heavy rain possible. There's not a lot of severe weather expected. In fact, there's pretty much no severe weather expected, but some flooding could become an issue in the heaviest of these storms. There is some heavy rainfall that could fall with these, and we finally try to clear out the rain heading into Sunday. We could have some leftover drizzle for your Sunday morning drive, and then look, skies clear and the sun returns late Sunday afternoon and even into Monday. Clear skies and sunny weather can be expected. Some fog may form Monday morning and also in the morning hours on Tuesday. So if you have any driving plans, be sure to check in with Channel 5 for the latest on that. Locally, 1 to 2 inches are possible over the next 2 days. That could be even higher out towards the west. So for today, a high temperature of 77, mostly cloudy with periods of showers and thunderstorms. Winds out of the southeast at 6 to 12 miles per hour. Down to 64 tonight. Areas of rain and drizzle still hanging around with north winds at 4 to 8 miles per hour. A shower and thunderstorm possible today, then clouds and sun on Sunday. Sun really returns Monday and Tuesday. We go up to 86 on Tuesday, and then more clouds come back and some showers even on Friday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.
This is a KWTX News 10 Weather Authority alert.
Good afternoon from the Doppler 10 Forecast Center. I'm meteorologist Joshua Johns. We're interrupting your programming because we have a severe thunderstorm warning up into Denton County near the north shore of Louisville Lake. The heaviest of this storm is near Lincoln Park and Little Elm and is continuing to push off to the east and the northeast at 20 miles per hour. This storm contains winds up to 60 miles per hour and some pea-sized hail, but the main threat with this storm is a lot of lightning. So if you're anywhere along Highway 380 from Lincoln Park to Prosper, you can expect this storm in your area shortly. We have another storm down towards Collin County along the Collin-Dallas County line. It's starting to push off to the northeast as well, but it did cause some damage down on Greenville Avenue in Dallas. Some power lines are reported down, and Encore estimates that 20,000 people are without power in the Metroplex. We have another thunderstorm from Rockwall down into Kaufman County here along the Hunt-Kaufman County line. That's continuing to push off to the east and the northeast. This storm is not severe, but is capable of winds up to 50 miles per hour and maybe some pea-sized hail, but the main threat with it is a lot of lightning as well. Our lightning counter was picking up 91 strikes there when it was on that storm. And then we have some thunderstorms along the Johnson County and Ellis County areas that are starting to form and push off to the east and the northeast. These are also not severe, but they do bear watching as they could push into the Metroplex. To recap, a severe thunderstorm warning for Denton County until 5:30. Stay with News 10. We'll keep you warned on the storms and interrupt if we need to. Remember, you can always catch your latest forecast and look at your radar on the KWTX weather app and on KWTX.com. We now return you to normal programming. Look further north into the state, and that whole complex extends all the way out towards Houston and even further up. See this spin here? That's an upper level low, and while that's there, that's making the atmosphere split. And as that atmosphere splits, that makes things really unstable. So that's why we've been having all this unsettled weather. And until that low moves, we're going to have to keep that chance of storms in the area. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk area that extends all the way across the state. So if you have any travel plans, keep that in mind. Some of the weather could be dicey across the state. Here's Sky 5 right now. That humidity's still in place, that fog's still in place, and that humidity will make it feel warmer today. Take a look at your highs for today. Everyone's going to be in the 90s to 100 degrees in some locations, but with that humidity, it'll feel like 97 to 105. So be sure to drink plenty of water if you're heading outside today. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 97 today, a little bit cooler tomorrow at 94. But then really cool on Tuesday and even cooler on Wednesday, 79 degrees. I have to bring out my jacket for that one. And then up to the mid-80s by Saturday.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for joining us for Channel 5 News Sunday morning. We'll see you back here at 5:30 and 10.